Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning. I've been wanting to work out. Ayaw sumama ni husband, so I'm going on my own. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Lakad tayo, guys, because there's 2 gym here. Pero mas gusto ko yung mas malayo. So, ayan, meron tayong malapit. Ito yung male, and then ayun yung gym. But like I said, hindi tayo dyan. Lakad tayo dun sa mas malayo, yung mas malapit sa office nitong neighborhood na to. I love the sun. I really love the sun here in Las Vegas. Sarap maglakad, guys. I need new shoes, guys. Gusto ko sana yung mas flexible. It's a beautiful day. This is what I like to use, guys, but I don't know how to operate it. Let's see if I can make it. Ayan, guys, it's nice. I'm alone na. I hope I could learn to operate these machines because I want to use it. I really want to work out because I love eating. Minutes sa Stairmaster, guys. Hinahingal na ako. Ayoko na, guys. Grabe. Ang hirap pag-workout. Ayun na tayo, guys. Nakakapagod mag-workout. Guys, my husband is fixing our bed frame because I like a tall bed.
I'm gonna need your help there.
I feel like that's okay. Yeah, thank you, my dear. I'm gonna organize the mess. Guys, I plan to cook sinigang na hipon. I'm so hungry. Ito ay yung preserve natin na tomatoes, garlic, and onion, panggisa.
Use the tomato in the fridge.
Yes, and my husband cook rice. Yeah, I'm gonna cook in a bit. I'm just waiting. I don't know how long it will take. It might take long. Ito yung gusto kong gamitin panggisa, guys. So, eto lang siya, guys. Gisa-gisa, tapos lalagyan ko lang siya ng tubig, okra, spinach, and flavoring. Ayun, may sinigang na tayo.
And then I have 14 hours overtime on the next paycheck in 2 weeks.
Guys, this is the cabinet my husband ordered for me. He's so generous. I love you, dear.
I love you too.
You know, my husband always try his best to provide for me. He always offer me to buy things. I'm the one who refused, guys. So even if you see my pan sets are dirty, he wants to buy me. But I'm the one telling him, not right now, do it next month. Anyway, it's boiling. We can put the spinach. So this is what I got from Seafood City. It's almost done. I'm hungry, guys, from the workout. Here it is, guys. I already put the spinach. I think it's cool. Let's try to find the shrimp. See? My husband want it no shell. He wants it peeled. I like it with shell, but this is what we got. Hi guys! Kain tayo. Gutom na talaga ako. Still Filipino food here in US. My husband don't wanna eat yet, but you can see in my videos that he also eat Filipino food. Let's see one. It's heavy, guys. Eto guys, baka maubos yung memory ko sa paghatak. Ito yung loob niya. So obviously, kailangan natin siyang i-assemble. So guys, nilabas ko sa karton. Ayan, makalat ang kwarto. Ganito yung itsura niya guys. So hoping na mabuo ko siya today. Ayan guys. Ang hirap niya gawin, pero sana matapos natin. Guys, ito pa lang yung natapos ko kagabi. I'm having a hard time attaching these. And I'm having a hard time putting this on my own. So, maybe I'll wait for my husband so he can use the drill to finish this cabinet. Ito guys, na-drill na ni hubby kanina. Hindi ko na na-videohan guys kasi tinutulungan ko siya. Well, he's tired from work. So ito naman yung kailangan niyang gawin bukas. Look at guys, it's not good. I'm having a hard time attaching these, but hoping this cabinet will be finished soon so I can organize my clothes. So guys, nandito yung mga damit ko. Ilalagay natin yun sa cabinet. Tapos tinatahi ko yung mga maluluwang na nabili ko from Savers. Hi guys! Kakatapos lang nilagay ko yung screw. It's not perfect, but I really wanna arrange my things, tidy up the house, look makalat, pero lilinisin natin yan. So, may isa pang cabinet na gusto kong buuin, but for now, ito muna yung ayusin natin. Yan guys, ito yung mga gusto kong ligpitin. And thankfully, na-assemble na natin yung cabinet. Tingnan nyo, ito yung aking mga accessories. So I'm glad na malilinis na natin yan. Hello guys, what do you think? Ito muna yung ginawa ko. Hair iron, blower, hindi na kasi kasya guys. Yan. Big relief dahil naayos ko na ang aking mga damit. Yan. Hindi na siya nakakalat dun guys. Sa ibabaw ng basket. At wala na rin yung suitcase sa may sala. I'm very happy now that my clothes are already organized inside my new cabinet.